ओम पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते। ओम शांति शांति शांति। शंकरं शंकराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति। शुक्ल यजुर्वेदीय कान्वशाखीय बृहदारण्यक उपनिषद मैत्रेयी Brahmana, page number 581. We completed the first mantra. The prayojanam of this Akhyayika is to show, what is the prayojanam? Prayojanam of Akhyayika.
Sannyas.
Sannyasa what?
Sannyasa is the anga of Ruddha Apaloksha Brahma Jnanam.
Brahma Vidya Angatvena Sannyasa Nirupanam. This is the Prayojanam. Sannyasa, as you know, Sam Upasarga Purvak, Ni Upasarga Purvak, Asukshepane Dhatu, Ham Pratyaya will make sannyasa. So sannyasa, formal sannyasa means changing clothes, changing ashrama, changing name, following some new rules, etc., etc. But what it means is, I am ready to throw away everything. This is sannyasa. Somebody asks a question, we cannot throw everything. What should we do? Mentally you throw away. Means mentally you be ready that anytime any of these things can go away and I just have to live without their presence in my life. In this way. So throwing away doesn't mean you start, because nobody you will find, no sannyasi is actually throwing away everything from his room. Throwing away means this aham bhava and the mamatva, attachment to things, this is mine, that you have to let go. In other words, you know, at the time of sannyasa, one mantra we have to chant, means it is taught, and that is about renunciation. And then one karma we have to do, that is our own shraddha karma. So you understand that you have given up that aham itself. And all mama sambandha is there only as long as deha is there. My computer, my laptop, my phone, my room, my clothes, my body. Mamatva will go when Shraddha is there. So then nothing else will remain associated. So you let go of that. That is sannyasa. Throwing away means mentally you have released all of that. And the prayojanam of sannyasa, prayojanam of Akhyayika is to show sannyasa as Brahma Vidya Anga. Prayojanam of sannyasa is Tvam Padartha Vivekaya Sannyasa Sarva Karmanam. This is a prasiddha smriti somewhere. This will come in Upadesha Sahasri, 18th chapter. In this chapter, shloka number 222. those who are attending Upadesh Sahasri. So the shloka is Tvam Padartha Vivekaya Sannyasa Sarva Karma. In Naishkarmya Siddhi also this idea comes. Sarva Karmanam Sannyasa is for Tvam Padartha Viveka. Sadhanatvam Vrajatyeva Shanto Danto Nushasanat. Shanta Danta means sannyasa will prepare you for Tvam Padartha Viveka and Shanto Danta Jet Shruti there, Shanto Danta Uparata Stitikshu Shraddha Vitto Bhutva Atmanyeva Atmanam Pashyat. That sadhanatvam vrajati. Sannyas will give you or lead you to sadhanatvam. You have to be sannyas means if you are living like a sannyasi, right? You will have to go somewhere for bhiksha or in annakshetra, whatever it is. You have to be shanta only. You have to have dantatva, shanta, danta, uparata. Karma, if you start doing something, either all good people who are around, you don't do, we will do it. Or somewhere they'll say, why are you coming here and doing all this? Go up from here. Either way, they don't want you around where there is karma. So uparati will happen. And when it is said Tvam Padartha Vivekaya means you have to do Shravanam. So here the second line in Upadesh Sahasri, Bhagavan Bhashyakara is given differently. Elsewhere it says Sannyasi Patito Bhavet. If he doesn't do Shravanam, if he does not do other karma upasana, because he has taken sannyasa, and now he is not doing Shravanam also, so what is his gati? He is patita. So sannyasa is for Vedanta Shravanam, because now you have more time. And you will do Tvam Padartha Viveka. Actually, for all the sadhanas are for Tvam Padartha only. Who needs Viveka? This Tvam Padartha. There only Atma Anatma Viveka have. Vairagya from Anatma in Tvam Padartha. Sannyas also there. Aham Mama Buddhi Tyaga. So this Upadesh Sahasri number is 18 to 22. But the Prasiddha one is somewhere else also, that Sannyasi Patito Bhavet is the Chaturtha Pada. Purvardha is same. Okay, now see further. Second mantra, Anand Giriji's Tika. Maitreyi Moksham eva apekshamana bhartaram prati anukulyam atmano darshayati. Maitreyi is the one who is also moksham eva apekshamana. She is also interested in moksha only. So towards the Bharta, her husband, Bhartaram prati anukulyam atmana, that I am in agreement that you can take sannyasa. But how? See. Sa hovacha maitreyi yannuma iyam bhagoho sarva prithvi vittena purnasyat katham tena amritasyam iti yeti hovacha yajnavalkyo यथैवोपकरणवतां जीवितं तथैव ते जीवितं स्यादमृतत्वस्य तु नाशास्ति वित्तेनेति. सा मैत्रेयी होवाच. That Maitreyi said, यन्नु ma means may iyam bhagoho sarva prithvi vittena purna syat. If sarvaha prithvi, this entire prithvi is filled with dhanam, may syat, if it becomes mine. Yannu means vitarke, means let's say, if this whole earth with the wealth, because he said, I will give you dravya. So she says, if the whole earth filled with wealth becomes mine, vittena purna syat, katham tena amritasyam iti. How with that I will become immortal? Means will I become immortal with all this? In which, see, what she's asking is, in which way I will become immortal? In which way means, you are giving me wealth and you are going for immortality. With this wealth, how will I become immortal? This is her question. Kathan tena amritasyam iti neti hovacha Yajnavalkya. Yajnavalkya said, no, you will not become. Then what is the use of wealth? Yathaiva upakaranavatam jivitam tathaiva te jivitam syat. Those whose jivana is upakaranavat. Upakaranavattam means upakaranavan. Those who have upakarana means instruments, they have appliances. Upakarana means appliances. So many are there, and now the whole world is appliance only. Means what is the difference between someone says who doesn't have money and who has money? Appliances. This is the difference. But they have more things. Everything is there. AC is there. Cool, there. Fan is there. Hot water options are there. Everything is upakarana. Upakarana vatam jivitam. Tathaiva te jivitam syat. Like that, your jivanam will be. अमृतत्वस्य तु न आशा अस्ति वित्तेन अमृतत्वस्य तु आशा नास्ति. भाष्य सैवम् उक्ता होवाच सा मैत्रेयी एवं उक्ता केन याज्ञवल्क्येन होवाच. यत् मीन्स यदि, नु इति वितर्के. So if this will happen, मे मम इयं पृथ्वी भगो, हे भगवन्, सर्वा सागर परिक्षिप्ता वित्तेन धनेन पूर्णा स्यात्. सागर परिक्षिप्ता, leave aside the ocean part. No, sagar parikshipta means that it has ocean as the boundary. Means even if you take, let us say, Bharat Varsha, probably it was very big in those days, because ocean is only here in the south, and then all the way wherever there is land, it is all as much as maybe up to here is Himalaya. So Himalaya and ocean, and then whichever up to whatever it can extend. परिक्षिप्ता वित्तेन धनेन पूर्णा स्यात् कथं न कथंचन इति आक्षेपार्थः प्रश्नार्थो वा. कथम मीन्स न कथंचन इति आक्षेपार्थो प्रश्नार्थो वा.
Swamiji, Ukta is for Maitreyi, right?
Ukta is केन याज्ञवल्क्येन. सा एवं ukta स्त्री प्रत्यय is there, so only Maitreyi is there. Kena ukta, if you ask, Yajnavalkya. Second number टिप्पणी न on न. आक्षेप पक्षे कथम शब्दस्य अर्थमाह नेति, प्रश्ने तम आह कथंचन इति. So these two, न and कथंचन, आक्षेपार्थे प्रश्नार्थे प्रश्नार्थो वा. प्रश्नार्थो कथंचन. So katham he puts in two ways, na or kathanchana. How? In this way. How means how? In this way you can say. Prashne tamaha kathanchana. And akshepa pakshe na. So she is doing the akshepa. How will I become? Or she is asking, how can I get it in this way? Tika. कर्म साध्यस्य गृह प्रासादादिवन् नित्यत्व अनुपपत्ति ही आक्षेप निदानम. All of them are कर्म साध्य. कर्म साध्यस्य गृह प्रासादादिवत्. गृह is कर्म साध्य, therefore anitya. Prasada is karma sadhya, therefore anitya. So whatever is karma sadhya, yatra yatra karma sadhyatvam, tatra tatra anityatvam. So how this amrutatva which is nitya, how will I get it? Karma sadhyasya griha prasadadivat nityatva anupapatti. It will not be nitya. Nityatva anupattitva akshepa nidanam, akshepasya karanam. How will I get eternal immortality through Vitta? Vitta will see the connection. Vitta will allow you to do karma. Because karma sadhyasya, and he is giving you Vittam. What are you going to do with Vitta? Vitta will be used for karma in this way. And karma phalam will be anitya. So amrutatva I will not get. कथम शब्दस्य प्रश्नार्थत्व पक्षे वाक्यम योजयति. Now using कथम शब्द प्रश्नार्थ, how it will come? See भाष्य. तेन पृथ्वी पूर्णवित्त साध्येन कर्मणा अग्निहोत्रादिना अमृता किं स्याम इति व्यवहितेन संबंध. So तेन पृथ्वी पूर्णवित्त साध्येन, पृथ्वी which is filled with all the wealth. साध्य मीन्स संपन्न. पूर्ण वित्तेन संपन्ना पृथ्वी कर्मणा अग्निहोत्रादिना अमृता किम स्याम. By performance of karma, agnihotra, how will I become immortal? Iti vyavahitena sambandha. Vyavahitena sambandha.
No direct connection.
Because you see in the Pankti, Bhashya, Karmana Agnihotradina, that is not given. In the mantra, what is given? Vittena Amrita Kim Syam, like that. And in between, all these other things are given. Vittena Purna Syat Katham Tena. So, Vittena Amrita Katham Syam. In this way, you have to connect. टीका. वित्त साध्यस्य कर्मणो अमृतत्व साधनत्व मात्र असिद्धौ तत्प्रकार प्रश्नस्य निरवकाशत्व आदित्यर्थ. वित्त साध्य इज कर्म, कर्मणः अमृतत्व साधनत्व मात्र असिद्धौ. कर्म डज नॉट हैव अमृतत्व साधनत्व. अमृतत्वस्य साधनत्वं कर्मणि नास्ति. मात्र असिद्धौ तत् प्रकार प्रश्नस्य निरवकाशत्व. So that question itself is, so it prashnarthe is not possible. Why? Because there is no possibility only. So prashna is niravakasha. There is no avakasha. Only akshepa is there. How will I get? Munirapi bharya hridaya bhignyah santushtaha san आक्षेपम प्रश्नम च प्रतिवदति इत्याह. मुनि याज्ञवल्क्यः भार्या हृदय अभिज्ञः, the one who knew the heart, means he already knew what is her desire. She wants knowledge. She will seek knowledge. So knowing that santushtaha, or seeing the vairagya in her, that she said, what will I get immortality through this wealth? This is her question. Means, I know I will not get. Then what will I do with this? So he says, yatha upakaranavattam jivitam syat, that you will get. Amrutatva you will not get. So he santushtaha san akshepam prashnam cha prativadati pratyuvacha yajnavalkyaha. Katham iti yadi akshepartham अनुमोदनम न इति होवाच याज्ञ. If you say akshepartham, answer is no. How will I get? You know, you will not. Prashnaschet, if it is a question, I am assuming everybody knows what is akshepa and what is prashna. Prashna means you are like if somebody says, आज क्या खाना है? What is there to eat? So when it is a question, आज क्या खाना है means what is there to eat today? What is आक्षेप? अरे आज क्या खाना है? आज तो एकादशी है. Means something, today I am fasting, there is nothing to eat. So he is not asking that what is there to eat. There is nothing to eat. That is this. So it's akshepa. The other example they say, somebody will ask, where should I sit? I say, sit here. यहाँ बैठना है. So it can be akshepa. Akshepa means, here am I going to sit? Or question, am I going to sit here? Yes, sit. Like that. प्रश्न प्रतिवचने प्रश्नश्चेत् प्रतिवचनार्थम नैवस्या अमृता किं तर्हि नैवस्या स्याहा, it will be visarga lopa is there. नैवस्या अमृता किं तर्हि यथैव लोके उपकरणवतां साधनवतां जीवितं. लोक उपकरणवतां means लोके उपकरणवतां साधनवतां. When people have lot of sadhana, how they live? सुख उपभोग संपन्न. तथैव तद्वदेव तव जीवितं स्यात्. Like that your life will be. अमृतत्वस्य तु न आशा मनसा अपि अस्ति वित्तेन वित्तसाध्येन कर्मणा इति. अमृतत्वस्य तु आशा मनसापि नास्ति वित्तेन वित्तसाध्येन कर्म. विधिलिंग प्रथम पुरुष एकवचन. व्हाट इज द रूप? स्याः स्यातं स्यात्. टीका वित्तेन मम अमृतत्व अभावे तद अकिंचित करम अनादेयम इति आशंका. If vitta does not have amrutatva, vittena mama amrutatva abhave tad akinchit karam means it is gauna, it is of insignificant value. Anadeyam, therefore I don't need it. फोर नंबर टिप्पणी. अमृतत्वस्य तु नाशास्ति. तो अमृतत्वस्य तु इति अविद्या मात्र विध्वंसात् ज्ञानात् एव अमृतं यतः अमृतत्वस्य नाशापि वित्तसाध्येन कर्मणा इति पंचमी द्वयं समानाधिकरणम्. पंचमी द्वयं, वेर इज पंचमी द्वयं? अविद्या मात्र विध्वंसात् इज वन पंचमी, ज्ञानात् इज द्वितीय पंचमी. पंचमी द्वयम इज समानाधिकरण. दे हैव समानाधिकरण. अविद्या मात्र विध्वंस एंड ज्ञानम, दे आर वन. ओके, नेक्स्ट मंत्र. साहोवाच मैत्रेयी येनाहं नामृतास्यां किमहं तेन कुर्यां यदेव भगवान् वेद तदेव मे ब्रूहीति. साहोवाच मैत्रेयी, that Maitreyi said, yena aham na amritasyam, that by which I will not become amrita, immortal. Kim aham tena kuryam, what will I do with that? Yadeva Bhagavan Veda tadeva me bruhi. Whatever you know, please tell me that. Means whatever you know means he knows so many things. Let's see if it is clarified. भाष्यकार सिटी का फर्स्ट वित्तस्य अमृतत्व साधनत्व अभावम अधिगम्य. I have to explain the mantra. Maitreyi said, Sa Maitreyi hovacha. That Maitreyi said, Yena aham na amritasyam, that by which I will not become immortal. Kimaham tena kuryam, what will I do with that? Yadeva Bhagavan Veda tadeva me brui. Whatever you know, please teach me. Vittasya amrutatva sadhanatva abhavam adhigamya. Having learned that Vitta does not have amrutatvam, see her buddhi in Yagnavalkya ji as Apta Vakya. He said there is no amrutatva from Vitta over. There is no discussion. That much buddhi is there. Then when she will do Shravanam, also she will have, you can have question. There is no doubt about having questions. But that Shraddha is so much that he is so wise. He knows. With that much, you do Shravanam, everything will be set. So she has that bhava. Vittasya amrutatva sadhanatva abhavam adhigamya. Tasmin astham tyaktva. Immediately she left the astha in that. Tyaktva. Mukti sadhanam eva atmajnanam atmartham datum patim niyunjana brute. Mukti sadhanam eva atmajnanam. Mukti sadhanam is atmajnanam. That alone I want now because I am interested in mukti. So if dhanam is mukti sadhanam, then you give me. If dhanam is not mukti sadhanam but atmajnanam, that is not discussed here. But if Anand Giriji Maharaj says, if it is, then atmartham for oneself, datum patim niyunjana brute. Niyunjana Maitreyi brute. Maitreyi says, Niyunjana means the one who does niyoga of pati in Atma Jnana Dana. You have to give me Atma Jnanam. Saha, Sahovacha Maitreyi. Eva Mukta Pratyuvacha Maitreyi. In this way, when taught, then Maitreyi said, Yadi evam Yena ham namritasyam kimaham tena vittena kuryam. That by which I will not become amrita, what will I do with that wealth? Yadeva Bhagwan kevalam amritatva sadhanam veda, tadeva amritatva sadhanam me mahyam bruhi. Whatever amritatva sadhanam you know, that you teach. So in the mantra it is said, whatever you know, you teach. Means whatever you know as amritatva sadhanam, that you tell me. So now Yajnavalkya ji is even more happy here. Bharya apekshitam mokshopayam vivakshuhu tam adau stauti. Bharya apekshitam mumukshu upaya. She asked for upaya for, moksha upaya. Moksha upayam vivakshuhu. So now he is going to talk about moksha upaya jnanam. Vivakshuhu is Yajnavalkya. Yajnavalkya. Vaktum ichu. Tam adau stauti. Tam Maitreyi. First is the stuti. Sahovacha Yajnavalkya priyabatare naha sati priyam bhashasa yehi asva व्याख्यास्यामिते व्याचक्षाणस्य तुमे निदिध्यासस्वेति. सहोवाच याज्ञवल्क्य. याज्ञवल्क्य he said, Priya bata are, out of loving expression, he says, you are so dear to me. Priya batare naha sati priyam bhashase. Naha asmakam. So earlier also you were dear to me. Priya bata are naha. You are Priya. Priya sati priyam bhashase. But you are saying something which is even dearer to me now. So Ehi, come here. Aswa, sit here. So once she sits, then Upanishad will begin. So Aswa. Then Vyakhyāsyāmi te, I shall teach you. What? Vyachakshanasya. Vyakhyāsyāmi te. Then, comma, Vyachakshanasya tu me nididhyasasva iti. Whatever that I will teach you, Vyachakshanasya jnanasya me nididhyasasva. You do nididhyasanam on that. Nididhyasanam, dhyai chintayam dhatu is there. So you do dhyanam on what I tell you. Means you do chintanam. टीका सहोवाच याज्ञवल्क्यः एवं वित्त साध्ये अमृतत्व साधने प्रत्याख्याते. वित्त साध्य अमृतत्व साधनम is refuted. प्रत्याख्यानम is done. याज्ञवल्क्यः स्वाभिप्राय संपत्तौ तुष्ट आह. याज्ञवल्क्य जी, he already had his own abhipraya. Means he had not gone there only to distribute wealth. His objective was, I will give you knowledge only if you ask. So now that you are asking, I will give. Like how Bhagavan in Bhagavad Gita also, until Arjuna went on saying these, that Ratham Sthapaya Mechyuta and I will see this Kula Dharma, everything. Bhagavan said, go ahead. When he said Shishyasteham Shadimam Tvam Prapan, they say, okay, now sit down, I will start. Not until. And then he's on Ratha, he's above, Bhagavan is down. And listen, when he comes down with everything, folded hands, means we see the picture. We don't know, but this must have happened. Because when you say Shishyasteham, you can't be standing above. You have to be coming down. Then Bhagavan starts. So like here also, he is prasanna. Swabhipraya sampattau tushta aha. Sahovacha priyeshta bata iti anukampya aha. He said, you are priya bata. Priya means ishta. You are very dear. Iti anukampya. There is anukampa. What is he seeing? He is seeing vairagya. Here, because any guru when sees vairagya in Shishya, that is the sign. Like Nachiketa, Yamacharya. Yamacharya ji was very pleased with Nachiketa seeing his vairagya. 3 days fasting, no food, he survived. And because his understanding was, I have been given to my father. I mean, by my father to Yamacharya. Until he comes, I don't have any right to take food, water, anything. A clear thinking. Second, first is my father, Pitru Tosha, Paritosha. Father should be happy. So Yamacharya is also watching what he is asking. And then when he says, Shatayusha, Putra Pautran Vanishva, Hiranmayam, Pashu, Pautra, Ityadi, Ityadi. He says, no, Shubhavaha, Martyasya, Yadantaya, all this is impermanent. You keep them. Tavaiva Vahas, Tavanritya Gite. So then he is very happy. So he does Shishya Prasansa. That is how it is given. So any Acharya will see this, there is Vairagya in this Vidyarthi, or he is just. In the morning that discussion was there, that Vairagya has to be highlighted. स्वाभिप्रायो नो स होवाच प्रिय इष्टा बत इति अनुकंप्य आह। अरे मैत्रेयी, नो अस्माकं पूर्वमपि प्रिया सती भवन्ति इदानीं प्रियमेव चित्तानुकूलं भाषसे। Earlier also पूर्वमपि प्रिया सती अस्माकं, to us you are very dear, because he was observing. See, Guru, here it is Pati, but now he is in Guru's role. He has been observing that how her conduct is. So you are always have been dear. Now Priyameva Chittanukulam. What is Anukula to my Chitta? That is what you are saying. Not what is Anukul to your Chitta. No, or you add this way, that whatever was Anukul to my Chitta, that same thing is Anukul for you also, which is what I want. Not that in your mind you want something else, but to make me happy you are saying something. No, she actually has Vairagya. Ataha ehi aswa upavisha. Come here and sit here. व्याख्यास्यामि यत्ते तव इष्टम अमृतत्व साधनम आत्मज्ञानम कथयिष्यामि. What is your ishta amrutatva sadhanam atmajnanam, that I shall tell you. Vyachakshanasya tu me mama vyakhyanam. This mama vyakhyanam, vyachakshanasya. So in Tika, it is given of this speech. Vyachakshana is the Vani. Tasya mama vyakhyanam kurvatah nididhyasasva vakyani arthato nischayena dhyatum ichha iti. These vakyas, on them you have to do nididhyasanam, means arthatah nischayena dhyatum ichha. You have to understand the meaning. Samshaya should not be there, Nishchaya should be there, and then you have to dwell on them. Like in Vivek Chudamani, it is given Brahma Tattvamasi Bhavayatma. In Atma Bodha, how? Tad Brahmetyavadharaya. Tad Brahmetyavadharaya. Avadharaya means Avadharanam you have to do. Only listening, then you have to hold on to that knowledge. Otherwise, so many words we hear, they don't become our wisdom. It should become my wisdom. Tika on the previous page. Vittena sadhyam karma tasmin amrutatva sadhane shankite kim aham tena kuryam iti bharyaya api pratyakhyate sati iti yavat. Vittena sadhyam karma, in that amrutatva sadhanam is not there. Shankite means there is shanka. Is it there? Not there. Kim aham tena kuryam, then what will I do with that? Iti bharyaya api pratyakhyate sati. Bharyaya vittasya pratyakhyate sati iti yavat. So when she also said, okay, I don't need it then, so he was very happy. स्वाभिप्रायो न कर्म मुक्ति हेतु इति तस्य भार्या द्वारा अपि संपत्तौ सत्याम इत्यर्थः. How he was happy with her, because he had understood vitta does not have mukti sadhanam, or karma doesn't have mukti hetu. But she also understood that. Tasya bharya dwara api sampattau. Sampattau means praptau. When she also got that understanding that karma is not mukti hetu, then sampattau satyam tushta. Then he was tushta. Because it is there in the Bhashya on that page, Yajnavalkya swabhipraya sampattau tushta aha. So sampattau satyam tushta aha. So nididhyasasva vakyani arthato nischayena dhyatum ichha. ध्यातुमिच्छ 1 नंबर टिप्पणी गंभीरार्थत्वात् तेषाम् इति भावः. They have गंभीर अर्थ. Now the next mantra is a big mantra. We'll see in the next session. Om Purnamadah Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Shankaram Shankaracharyam Keshavam Badarayanam Sutrabhashyakrutau Vande Bhagavantau Punah Punah. Ishvaro Gururatmeti Murti Veda Vibhagine Vyomavad Vyapta Dehaya Dakshinamurtaye Namaha. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.